Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off offer to save password with Google Password Manager in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for privacy. Press on this. Again scroll down. Here you can see autofill service from Google. Click on this. Now click on Google Password Manager. Press on settings. If you want to turn on your offer to save password, you just have to enable this. Or if you want to turn off your offer to save password, you just have to disable this. Here I want to turn on offer to save password. That's it. So this is how to turn on and off offer to save password with Google Password Manager. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.